After weeks of vehemently disagreeing with the new ISA rules that will restrict the free movement of talent for betterment, I want to take a positive out of these changes this evening. I don't know if ISA themselves realize that in limiting the amount of elite talent that will migrate from smaller programs to bigger programs, especially, indeed, specifically in track and field, and even more specifically in male track and field, it could be actually a blessing in disguise because of the history of the schools with big champs chasing programs and their record of destroying or failing to have their star champs athletes transition to senior success. If you check it by numbers and check it proportionately, the number of outstanding stars senior champs every year in purple and white and green and black, you can count on one hand the number of KC or Calabar champ stars who became Jamaican senior stars. So going by the record and by the numbers, it is probably better for elite male track talent to stay with their small schools, providing they have a good enough program, instead of marching off to KC and Calabar to chase champs' glory. And after that, we don't hear nothing more about them. Avoid the overwork, avoid the burnout. Stay with your functional programs at Petersfield and Green Island and St. Diego and States, etc. The record shows you will have a better chance of fulfilling your true potential. You see that? After weeks of arguing against the new ISA rules, is Miss Simon find a big argument in support of the same rules. That is why they call me the boundary. Don't bother me. Don't dump me. Don't bother me.